Does your park currently operate with multiple unintegrated systems, using unreliable operational and management information which is built around time-consuming processes? Can your current park management solution be easily modified to better serve your guests and holiday home owners? Wouldn't it be cost-effective to have one centralized park management software solution that improves the efficiency of your business processes across all departments? Introducing EliteParks, the most advanced fully integrated park management solution delivering greater information transparency and operational efficiency to your business. Think of EliteParks as being a digital manager for your park designed to automate, unify and manage all aspects of your business, from sales and lead management, on-park operations and financial controls. Whether you need to manage reservations across all accommodation types, look up unit availability, have automatic booking synchronization using booking APIs between your website and third-party platforms, marketing emails out to customers to advertise your park, as well as enable contactless check-in, EliteParks makes marketing and booking management seamlessly work together. One of the most important aspects of your business, a customer's first impression, is often based on the quality of the housekeeping and maintenance. All reactive and planned maintenance can be controlled, allocated, resolved and invoiced within one system, leading to more efficient operational processes and increased customer satisfaction. The fully functional deal stacker in EliteParks records everything you need to produce a sales deal, whether it be a quick quote, a sale of a new holiday home, a part exchange, or a change of ownership. All commercial information is captured and compliant, supporting customer documentation produced. The park management feature helps to view the entire park at once in real time on an interactive map, helping with pitch control, unit management, utility readings, and safety checks. Your maintenance team can remotely record and monitor readings across all units, notifying the finance department of work that needs to be paid for by the owner. Owners can remotely log into their accounts on the Elite Owners app to view invoices, statements, make payments, and raise maintenance jobs. EliteParks also includes Elite Finance, so your accounts team will be able to streamline month-end processes with automated accrual and booking income recognition, delivering profit, loss and cash flow reports. EliteParks is the only solution in the holiday park industry that features a fully integrated financial management module built on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. As a customer of Elite Dynamics, you'll receive first-class support, which includes an extensive training program, implementation consultancy, and ongoing customer service aftercare. Get in touch with Elite Dynamics today to transform your holiday park business.